The appointment book is central to the Academy business, the place where everything starts and begins again. The Shortcuts Advantage has always been an easy-to-use system that is visual and designed specifically for touchscreen technology. With a look and feel that is just like a manual paper book, it's intuitive, not intimidating. Across the top of the screen are the pictures of your students. You can scroll right to left to find the student requested. Down the left side of the screen is the time of day. Currently, the screen is set to half-day mode. You can also view the appointment book in a full-day mode, which allows for more student columns across the top. To make an appointment, click the space that matches the student and time requested, just like a manual paper book. This brings us to the client screen, where you can search by first name, last name, club ID, or phone numbers. The client is now selected in the list, so we'll click Done. We are now in the Services screen. Services are grouped into categories down the left side of the screen. Only the services that the student is capable of performing are listed to avoid mistakes. At the top, it lists all previous services that the client has come in for. This client is coming in for their usual colour and blow dry, making it easy for the receptionist to select regular services. To complete the appointment, click Done. Some services can also be set up with contraindications, prompting you to ask the client if they have a reaction to a product or have a pre-existing medical condition, for example. Notice that this appointment has been booked with processing time, so you can utilise the available time for additional appointments. Students are set up with the appropriate intervals for each service, making it easy to customise each appointment to suit the student level. Each colour on the appointment book provides a visual indication of the status of your appointment slots and earning potential. A newly booked appointment is dark green, like the one we just booked. If there is an error with the appointment, which has been for some reason overridden, it will show up as light brown. All online bookings will automatically come in as yellow until they are reviewed by the front desk. Appointments that are confirmed are shown as a light green. Once the client has arrived, the appointment is changed to a light blue. And once they have been checked out, the appointment will be converted to a grey colour. Shortcuts also has alert icons on each appointment to help the front desk attend to important details for special appointments, such as New on the top of appointments made by a new client. The great thing about a visual appointment book is that it increases the speed of the most menial front desk tasks, and it cuts down training time. Shortcuts can also filter the appointment book to only display the students based on a number of factors, including their schedule, their skill level achieved, or program. So, if a new client calls in and wants to make an appointment based on a pricing level that suits them, you can filter the appointment book to only show the students in that level. No mistakes, and a perfect match for the new client. Another easy way to modify the appointment book on the fly is using the week view option. How often does your front desk get requests to move appointments between days? Now you can see all of the availabilities in the week for a student. You can then just touch and drag the appointment from one appointment slot to another. Often your clients will require multiple services that some students are not able to perform at that phase of their education. Shortcuts has an appointment assistant to help you smoothly find the best appointment options. The appointment assistant will look for all availabilities based on the criteria you set. First, select the client the same way as with any appointment. Select the times and availabilities the client provided. For example, they can come in any time next week after 4 p.m. Next, select the services the client is interested in. For example, they are interested in a colour and cut. If there is a preferred employee for these services, you can add them as well. The availabilities are now shown based on the requests from the client, starting with the first available date. Select the appointment time that works for your client, and the appointment will be booked according to your rules. The Shortcuts appointment book is built for speed and efficiency. There are many more features that will help your front desk book appointments with ease and accuracy. Book a one-on-one demonstration with a Shortcuts consultant to see how Shortcuts would suit you.